one drop here. In the meantime, I'm go ahead and draw the French look on these nails. I'm gonna start on the both side and try to get the, either for first time or for beginner nail tech, if you want to achieve the French looks, you can do it really simple, is to just draw the like a V shape first, and then you can able to work around with that. Alright, so I'm gonna using number 4, submerging my bristles in the number 3 fancy blue, and then we're gonna just precise this. Keep the bristle parallels. So now you can do this with any color you prefer. It doesn't have to be just a fancy blue. So I want to do like have really deep smile line. Because it's really precise brush, like a single brush, precise brush, so it's really easy for you to do really in super cute in design. And then you're gonna go perfect it. A little fur. Okay. So I am go ahead and here for is quick 30-second flash here. I'll blend it on the tips.